The shift for me started the morning I stopped trying to fight my face. I still looked in the mirror and felt that same little sadness, and I still wanted my old softness back, but for the first time, I stopped asking what I should put on my face next. Therefore, I started asking a better question. What is wearing my face down in the first place? I did not want perfect skin, and I did not want some fake young look, but I did want that soft, rested face back, that easy look, that calm look, that look where I could see myself and not feel that quiet ache. Therefore, what I really wanted was not more beauty stuff. It was peace. I had tried the creams, and I had tried the masks, the makeup, the water, the better light, the better sleep. But every few mornings, I still saw the same thing. Puffy eyes, flat cheeks, that heavy look around my mouth, that dull look that made my whole face seem tired before my day even started. And every time I saw it, I felt that same little sadness again. Therefore, I had to admit something hard. Maybe I was trying very hard, but maybe I was trying in the wrong place. That hurt to admit, because part of me still wanted the easy answer. And part of me still wanted to believe the next cream might finally fix it. But deep down, I knew I was tired of feeling sad every time I caught my face in the mirror. It was not just about skin anymore. It was not even just about looking older. It was that feeling of missing something I could not name at first. Therefore, the truth finally got clear. I missed the face that felt like me. That was the ache. Not one wrinkle, not one bad photo. That quiet grief of feeling like something soft and familiar had drifted away. So I made a shift. I stopped asking only what goes on my face, and I started asking what might help my whole body feel less worn out, but in a way that still felt gentle and real, less strain, better rest, less of that heavy, tired look that kept showing up in the mirror. Therefore, something finally started making sense. Maybe my face had not been betraying me. Maybe it had been telling me something. And weirdly, that gave me relief, because if my face was showing me something deeper, and if deeper things could be cared for, but I had only been chasing the outside, therefore maybe I was not stuck after all. Maybe I was not losing my face forever. Maybe I just needed a different kind of help. And that thought felt lighter than all the panic and sadness I had been carrying. For the first time in a while, I felt a little hope when I looked at myself. Not because everything was fixed, because it finally made sense. In my next video, I'm going to show you what some women start doing when they stop chasing only the surface and start caring for what may be draining that soft, rested look underneath. So follow me now if you want to see that part. Because if you miss it, you may keep doing more and more on the outside while still feeling that same quiet ache every time you catch your face in the mirror.